Spocket, for those who might be new to it, is a fantastic platform for dropshipping, connecting online retailers with suppliers offering products from around the world. It simplifies the product discovery and order fulfillment process, making it easier for entrepreneurs to launch and scale their online stores without holding inventory. It's been a game changer for many, providing access to high-quality products and reliable suppliers. However, just like any tool, it might not be a permanent solution for everyone. Perhaps your dropshipping venture has evolved into a different fulfillment model, or maybe you've decided to specialize in a niche that Spocket doesn't cater to as extensively. It could be that you've found a direct relationship with a supplier that negates the need for a third-party platform. Or, honestly, sometimes it's just about managing expenses and optimizing your software stack. Whatever your motivation, making the decision to cancel a subscription is often a sign of progress, a clear indication that you're actively managing your business and making strategic choices for its future. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the cancellation process, let's briefly touch upon what you should consider before hitting that cancel button. First and foremost, if you have any outstanding orders with Spocket suppliers, ensure they are fulfilled and delivered to your customers. You don't want to leave any customers hanging. Secondly, download any data you might need, such as product lists, order histories, or supplier information, especially if you plan to transition to a different platform or supplier base. While Spocket stores this data, it's always a good practice to have your own backups. Finally, if you're canceling due to specific issues or dissatisfaction, consider reaching out to Spocket support first. They might be able to resolve your concerns, or perhaps even offer a solution you hadn't considered. Sometimes, a quick chat can turn a cancellation into a continuation. But assuming you've weighed these factors and you're ready to proceed, let's get into how to actually cancel your Spocket subscription. The good news is that Spocket has made the cancellation process relatively user-friendly, although it might not be immediately obvious where to find the option. You won't find a giant Cancel My Subscription button staring you in the face on the main dashboard, but it's typically located within your account settings or billing section. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Spocket account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll usually see your main dashboard. This is where you manage your products, orders, and settings. Now look for your account settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, a profile picture, or your name in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to open a drop-down menu or navigate to your account management page. Within your account settings, you're looking for a section related to billing, subscription, plan, or my account. The exact wording might vary slightly, as platforms sometimes update their interface, but these are the common terms to look out for. Click on the relevant option. Once you're in the billing or subscription section, you should see details about your current Spocket plan, including the plan name, your billing cycle, and the amount you're being charged. Somewhere on this page, or within a subsection of it, you will find an option to change plan, manage subscription, or cancel plan. This is the button you're looking for. Clicking on Cancel Plan or Manage Subscription will usually prompt you with a confirmation step. Spocket, like many subscription services, might ask you why you're canceling. This feedback is valuable for them to improve their service. You might be presented with a list of reasons to choose from, or a text box where you can elaborate. Be honest and constructive if you wish, or simply select the option that best reflects your decision. After providing a reason or skipping this step if it's optional, you'll likely be asked to confirm your cancellation one final time. This is your last chance to reconsider. Make sure you understand any implications, such as when your access will be terminated, usually at the end of your current billing period, and if any data will be removed. Once you confirm, your subscription will be marked for cancellation. You should receive an email confirmation of your cancellation. This is important to keep as a record. If you don't receive a confirmation email within a few minutes, check your spam folder. If it's still not there, it might be worth contacting Spocket support to ensure the cancellation went through successfully. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to subscription management. What happens after you cancel? Your access to Spocket's premium features will typically continue until the end of your current billing cycle. For example, if you pay monthly and cancel halfway through the month, you'll still have access until the end of that month. Once your billing cycle ends, your account will revert to a free or limited state, or become inactive, depending on Spocket's policy. This means you won't be able to import new products, fulfill orders through the platform, or access other paid features. Any existing product listings connected to Spocket might become inactive or require manual removal from your store. A common question that comes up is, can I resubscribe later? Absolutely. If your business needs change again in the future, and Spocket becomes the right fit once more, you can always resubscribe. Your previous account information might even be retained, making it easy to pick up where you left off, though this can vary. Canceling a subscription, especially for a tool as integral as Spocket can be for a dropshipping business, is a strategic move. It means you're actively managing your resources and optimizing your operations. Don't view it as a failure, but rather as an informed decision based on your evolving business needs. Whether you're moving to a different sourcing strategy, shifting your business model, or simply streamlining your expenses, knowing how to manage your subscriptions efficiently is a key skill for any online entrepreneur. So, to recap the process, log into Spocket, navigate to your account settings, find the billing or subscription section, locate the cancel plan or similar option, confirm your cancellation, and look for that email confirmation. It's a straightforward path once you know the steps. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.